Alright, today let's talk about measuring and layout tools. So today we are going to talk about probably the most widely used layout tool on the market, the combination square. We're also going to include the double square into the mix for reasons I will discuss shortly. I originally intended on making a comprehensive video on all of the different layout and measuring tools out there. This would have been a fairly lengthy video though, so I decided to break them up into a small series of videos covering each type separately. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really does help me and my fledgling channel grow, and all of the support is greatly appreciated. I cannot thank y'all enough. Now back to the combination square. Whether you are using an inexpensive combination square like the Empire Pictured, something like this Starrett, or this one from Woodpeckers, which are both on the higher end of the quality and price spectrum, or something in the middle of the road like this one from iGaging, which is quite affordable, yet the quality is still top-notch. They all basically work the same, and the combination square is easily one of the most versatile tools out there. You can use them to mark 90-degree lines. You can also use them to mark 45-degree lines. The body of the combination square can be moved anywhere along the blade, which greatly adds to the tool's versatility. The body can also be removed completely and used to set up your table saw at 90 degrees, or you can also use it to set it up at a 45-degree angle. While less expensive combination squares are perfectly serviceable, they are generally lacking in some respects, and it won't take long before you will demand a higher level of accuracy from your combination square. Higher end combination squares will generally have indented graduations that are easy to see and accurate. Some will even have indents for your pencil to scribe lines, such as this from Woodpeckers. While having a mechanism that allows the body to move anywhere along the blade is a great feature, it also means that these tools can come out a square, no matter the brand or price. Hence, I recommend checking them frequently for the square using something that you know is square. A machinist square or a 1, 2, 3 block like this makes a great option. I'll be discussing 1, 2, 3 blocks and machinist squares in another video in this series. So there you have a quick rundown of the combination square. If anyone has any additional questions, please shoot me a comment. I'm always happy to help. And again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and be safe out there. Thanks again.